We spend our whole lives running from the dust, praying for tomorrow like tomorrow owes us. But the truth is, brother, this moment right here is the same one we begged for in all those quiet years. I've lost good friends I'll never see again. Some drifted like smoke, some burned in the wind. And every mistake, God, it carves into me like a song I don't like, but it's all I can be. This is the time we want back someday, when the whiskey runs out and the nights turn gray. We're fighting with heaven, we're fighting ourselves, stacking our sins on forgotten shelves. I don't know if grace still covers a man whose prayers fall silent like dirt through his hands. But I know one day, when I'm looking back, I'll beg for the time I can't get back. Love slips easy, it don't always stay, and the ones that we lose still haunt us that way. I've cursed at the stars, I've cried on the floor, I've promised the Lord, then I broke it once more. This is a time we want back someday, when the whiskey runs out and the nights turn gray. We're fighting with heaven, we're fighting ourselves, stacking our sins on forgotten shelves. I don't know if grace still covers a man whose prayers fall silent like dirt through his hands. But I know one day, when I'm looking back, I'll beg for the time I can't get back. The hardest part of living ain't the falling down, it's realizing the moment was holy ground. And the laughs and the fights and the broken years, they're the ghosts that follow when the silence appears. So pour one for mercy, pour one for pain, pour one for the nights we won't get again. The time that we're in is fleeting, it's cracked, and it's the only damn thing we'll beg to have back.